I'm recording now. Old broken ladder that we found.
I'm an idiot. That we found. Oh God. Goodbye, cruel world.
Oh my god!
Jesus Christ!
The ladder snapped.
Oh, I broke the ladder. Yay!
Hold.
Oh my God!
Hold.
I'm holding.
Hold and point at the ladder. Well and truly break it.
Oh, nice.
No.
Like hell. I bet I've got a very large line on my back. Oh my God, that hurt. You're not making me do it again, are you? No. You're doing it. Yeah. Good, good. Oh, nice.
Oh, no.
That way you might get skewered as well. Go on, Dale, kill it properly. Go on, Josh. It's only life.
I wanted to front splash it, but...
Nice. Go on, Mr. Dale.
Hey, move!
Yeah, watch out, I'll do it again, what the hell. I will do it again, because I'm that kind of guy. Nice.
I want to break it. Ow, my arm.
Come on.
Oh.
Here, I've got it. No, don't do that, don't do that, come on. I've got the perfect thing for it. It will absolutely die. And if it doesn't, then I will, so...
Oh my God.
Oh shit, I didn't see the metal things on it there.
Yeah, well. Oh no, you didn't. Did you just elbow drop the freaking ladder?
I'm gonna do it again as well. Bastard. I just elbow dropped the ladder twice.
Frog splash.
No,
Do it. Front flip. Swanton bomb. Oh my. Joe, no.
I really do it once, so might work.
Oh my God! Hold the phone, get down here, it's my turn.
It's a ladder. Everything tastes of the hay and everything. Oh. Go on then, Joshua.
Oh, tricked again. Retry.
Go for it. Oh, that's horrible. Go on, man. Oh, that is the best thing ever. That completely is the best thing that ever happened. I think there's a guy in a Land Rover looking at us back there. Whee! Anywho, go on, my turn. I've got an even better idea. Oh, yep, sorry. I did do 2 attacks on it. Come on, the Dale, man. We get 2 attacks each. Come on, Mr. Josh. Just do it. Pain is temporary, glory lasts forever.
I think I broke my tailbone.
Oh, well, it's only the same ball. Only a tailbone. We don't have tails anymore, so why do we need them?
Give me the fucking camera.
There we go.
Oh.
I have the plan of all.
I can't hold it still. Oh. Whoa!
I've got it.
Yes! Beaten!
That's what you get for being a ladder.
Good game, pal. Excellent game.
Well done, my friend. It was a valiant effort, but you lose. Look, here's a piece of you. This is what I think of you, Mr. Ladder. Oh, yeah.
Oh well, bye!